Hi, my name is Cecilia. I'm a Spanish girl who lives in her natal village called Xàtiva, East Spain. I would like to show you from this tiny windows named YouTube how is the life of people like me. I'm learning English, so I hope you don't matter my mistakes. At first, I would like to show you how we enjoy meeting with our friends always outdoors on summer. It's Sunday. This is a collect for poor people of aliments and things from drugstores. Men like playing cards. Also kids does. Women prefer other kind of board games. This is bingo. Sometimes the neighbors put a bouncy castle and children really enjoy it. In the festivities, we usually start fireworks when the saint is coming near in procession. Oh, my poor baby is scared. This is all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.